This is the homemade mini bike I started making in the other videos. It's just a bunch of photos, but this is the bike completed. I got rid of the 5 horsepower Briggs & Stratton in place of this Tecumseh HS80 8 horsepower, and it goes pretty well. It's got 4-inch wheels. It's got disc brakes on the back. It has the stock muffler soon, but I'm thinking about replacing that with a homemade straight pipe or something, because I think it's restricting it a bit, but it goes really well anyway. Like, it'll bake up this tire anytime you want. You crack open the throttle and it'll spin this up. It's geared for about 30 miles an hour, and it's got a jack shaft system. This is a heavy duty clutch, 14 tooth on the front sprocket, 17 on this one, 10 on that one, and 37 on that one. And with the 10-inch overall diameter, it's about 30 miles an hour. There's a special thing about this frame, it's made from 27mm tube, which is slightly over 1 inch, so that the handlebars actually taper off here to fit the 1-inch grips. And this frame is big, like the stock mini bike frame. It's a lot smaller. This frame's actually even a big mini bike frame, but to compare the two, that's the difference. Yeah, I'll do a build on this little frame, this little bike I got. I didn't make this frame, but somebody else made it. It's made from galvanized water pipe. They've done a really nice job. And it would have had a Villiers 2-stroke engine in it, and I'm going to put the 5-horse Briggs in it.